everyone! Today we're here with another AI review. This time it is for DeepSeek, so let's get started. For those who don't know what DeepSeek is, it is basically a Chinese version of ChatGPT, and they have also stated that DeepSeek R1 is live, which is rivaling the OpenAI model of O1. However, 5 days ago, OpenAI came out with O3, so they would need to do a comparison of that. Now, most of the testing that they have done, which uses different benchmarks in 3 criteria, which is math, coding, and reasoning tasks, are to be stated that we are either doing as good as OpenAI O1 model or even doing better than the OpenAI model, as you guys see in the graph. And they have even listed the results of the evaluation that they've done. So this is something to check out if you guys are familiar with the metrics or the benchmark that they have done. So the purpose of creating this is to be the rival of ChatGPT OpenAI O1 model, and their main task is to perform in math, coding, and reasoning tasks. Like I mentioned, they can do other fun, interesting tasks. Some key features that I would point out is that it is open source. For those who don't know what that means, you can download this and open it in the local program, as in you can just download it and open it on your computer at various different sizes from 7B to 70, which are the parameters, which means that they can do tasks that are from simple tasks to very complicated tasks. We have seen reviews that this is so much better at writing programs, and they are much more easier than ChatGPT. They also have a real-time voice feature that was pretty cool. And the most important thing is that the cost to run query is much lower than OpenAI O1 model, or even the OpenAI O3 model, which came out 5 days ago. So DeepSeek is stating that it costs $2.19 per 1 million output tokens. Unlike OpenAI at O1 model, it costs them $60 per 1 million output tokens, or even the O3 model, which costs them $4.40 per 1 million output token. Some may have stated that OpenAI might have some margin because they were the monopoly of the LLM models, but because it is almost 15 times cheaper, they will have to be doing something else about it. Something that was really unique, that was much different from what I've seen on ChatGPT, is that they actually do more of a logical thinking. It goes by steps. It runs through the process, especially if you're doing any type of counting, and go through each letter, or it does more of a step-based logical methodology that you'd be commonly seeing if you guys are programmers. And if you were to click on the DeepSeek R1, which is the recent model, what it does is that it also talks about its own thought process. What was really cool that I was asking earlier was I asked the question in English and then I asked the question in Korean. So then I was able to read the DeepSeek mind into saying what the user wants me to answer and how they want the answers to be answered in, as in which language, because it started getting confused of me using English and then me using Korean. So that was one of the unique part that DeepSeek was doing that we don't get to see in ChatGPT. One of the flaws that I've noticed is that it does take a very long time, especially if you have the thought process. The answer doesn't come out right away. It did take me a couple of minutes, especially if I were to confuse DeepSeek, it would literally tell me that the server is busy and that it wants me to try again. So if you guys are using this on your local server, it might be better. I haven't tested the local server yet. I'm hoping to try that tomorrow. However, if you're trying to test this on the web, you might be a little bit frustrated with the results that you're getting, especially because it's taking a while compared to ChatGPT. But I do have to say it is a very well created LLM model that does basically what it needs to do. And if it were to be really cheaper than ChatGPT, I would be a little scared. So this was all for learning about DeepSeek, the basics of it. I hope this really helped you into understanding what you need to know about DeepSeek and how it's being compared to ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next one. Thank you. Bye guys.